Today I'm going to replace the Atwood RV propane gas detector that originally came with my trailer. That's 8 years old. They're supposed to last between 5 and 7 years. And I came in to do a pre-check and found this yellow light. The light means that it's time to change it. It's fairly easy to remove. There's 4 screws. Those have already been removed. And out comes the unit. There's 2 wires, positive and negative. And there's a lot of wire left to be able to make this change. This particular unit, July 12th, 2014 is when it was produced. I did happen to look for this exact model, but they don't make it anymore. They stopped making it in 2020. So I cut it short to the box so that I would have plenty of wire to work with. And now I'm going to do the installation of the new one. So this is the new one. It's made by RV Safe, model number RVLP-2. It's a generic one, and it's one of the few that'll fit the hole that I've got right here. Comes with 2 generic frames, and it's already wired in the back, ready to go. Super simple. It's all wired up now, and the red wire connects to the black, and the black wire connects to the white. This is how it was wired with the original detector that was installed. And it's all buttoned back up, and the green light shows that it's powered up and working. Just a reminder that if you come in and the propane detector has no light, it might be the 1 amp fuse. In my trailer, it is located underneath the dinette seat, and if you look in here, you can see that white plastic 1 amp fuse connector. Just open that up, and there's a little tiny fuse in there. I went to auto parts store and got the correct fuse.